Okay, part 2. So let's just think about what we want in this moment. We want peace, we want happiness and joy. We want to be able to live our life in the way that we want to live it. It's what everyone on the planet wants, to live our life in the way that we want. So let's imagine that we want happiness and joy. We want peace, we want tranquility. So for a start, when we're fearful and angry, we're not breathing. So let's just focus. Let's just focus on our breath. So I just want you to take 5 breaths. Just relax. In whatever way feels comfortable and safe to you. Some people need to breathe in heavily and breathe out slowly. Some people need to hold their hand on their abdomen and breathe in and out. So whether it's diaphragmatic breathing or heaving and then releasing, what allows you to feel calm in your brain? I want you to imagine for a moment the trillions of cells in your body, the trillions of cells. And I want you to feel the happiness and joy in all of those cells. They're just buzzing with serotonin and dopamine and oxytocin and feel-good hormones. Just because you're you, just because I'm me, just because we're worthy, just because we're safe. Anti-clockwise over that heart, hand on the forehead, allow that frontal cortex energy to flow. Every cell in my being is filled with happiness and joy. Every cell in my being is filled with happiness and joy. Every cell in my being is filled with happiness and joy. Troubling times let us know what we're made of, and we can all rise above the challenges going on. Don't forget gratitude. I receive joy in the smallest things. I receive joy in the smallest things. I am happy and healthy and happy being me. I am happy and healthy and happy being me. When was the last time you just felt at peace and happy and joyful? What does it take these days? Does it take nature, sunshine, swimming in the ocean, swimming in a lake? What does it take to get you filled with happiness and joy? Ride on the motorbike, ride on a push bike, run with your friends, climbing a mountain. It is safe to relive happy memories from my life. It is safe to relive happy memories in my life. It is safe to relive happy memories in my life. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. So imagining yourself feeling happy and vital and free and at peace, it can bring those same hormones to your brain. The same hormones. Phenomenal, isn't it? Run that central meridian anti-clockwise over your heart. Emotional stress release points. I choose to do things that make me happy. My ego feels happiness and joy. It is okay to be happy. Every cell in my being is filled with happiness and joy. I spend time every day choosing to do things that fill me with happiness and joy. I am full of happiness. I am full of joy. I am full of happiness. I am full of joy. 9.99, 9.99, 9.99, 9.99, 9.99, 9.99, 9.99, 9.99, 9.99. Raise that vibration. Stay in that fifth and sixth dimension anytime you can. It's okay being the third dimension here in the matrix on the planet when we choose. That's how we get by. Fourth dimension is heavy, all the information we're taking in these days. But the fifth and sixth are the spiritual realms. If ever there was a time to pay attention to our spirituality, now is that time on the planet. Okay. My inner child is okay to feel happiness and joy. My inner child loves to feel memories of happiness and joy. My inner child feels safe, feeling happiness and joy. Escape submission freeze, okay. Sometimes our brain gets stuck in freeze and it can't move forward to happiness and joy because it's stuck in the dense energy. It's stuck in the deep energy of what we're learning and what we know and what we feel with what's going on around us, especially when you're an empath, especially when you're taking on the stuff going on the planet. Don't do that. Look after yourselves. Look after your heart. Look after your brain. Make sure you do things just for you that fill you with happiness and joy. Emotional being is filled with happiness and joy. My physical being is filled with happiness and joy. My higher self is filled with happiness and joy. My soul inside is filled with happiness and joy. Escape submission freeze again. I am entitled to all the happiness and joy of life. I express my happiness and joy in life. It is okay to be happy. It is okay being me. It is okay being free. I feel happier and happier and happier each day. I am happy and content with my family. I am happy and content with my friends. I am happy and content with my companions. Allow that energy to travel from the frontal cortex to the rear of the brain and back again. Throat chakra. So the throat chakra is about speaking our truth. The throat chakra is often condemned when we say what we think and it doesn't match the status quo. So the throat chakra, when it opens up, we feel vibrant, we feel alive, we feel okay to say what we think. So hand over that throat chakra and just feel that energy in there. My throat chakra is happy being free. My throat chakra is happy being alive. My throat chakra is no longer silenced. I am transformed. I choose to be happy. I am transformed. I choose to be filled with joy. I am transformed. I choose the God within to be filled with happiness and joy. So don't forget the sort of things that help you keep this energy going are writing a gratitude journal at the end of every day. That helps to keep the happiness up. And things like doing visualization when you go to bed for the following day. When you wake up in the morning, visualizing your day being filled with happiness and joy and contentment and whatever it is you want to achieve during the day. Beautiful. Okay, my lovelies. Take care of you. I feel really quite chilled, which is really, really nice. Quite a nice little buzzing going on inside. Have a great day. Take care. See you next time.